Hi everyone, hope you're well. In this episode of Meet the Products, I wanted to introduce you to the Pneumatrol range of Namur Mount Solenoids that we keep in stock here at Valve & Process Solutions. We keep quite a vast array of the products on the shelf here, and I've put just a few examples on the table just to show you some of the options. They are predominantly Namur mount, so they fit onto the end of actuators, and they can come in either 3.2 or 5.2 configuration, and the different solenoids either come specifically for that type of actuator, or they come with a plate that we fit to make it into 3.2 or 5.2. So we keep those on the shelf. We have all the different voltages that you would expect, so 24 volt, 110 volt, 240 volt. We've also got solenoids to cover all the different specifications, so whether it's a non-hazardous application, intrinsically safe, or maybe it's an EXD version, similar to the one we've got here. So again, we've covered on all the different options there as well. Majority of the solenoids come in different connection types as well. So you've got this what we call plug and socket type, where you wire into the plug and it fits onto the solenoid like so. Or we've actually got the ones where there's actually a small terminal strip, so you bring your wire in through the conduit and you fit into there. We've been selling these for a long time now. If any of you are as old as I am or been doing this as long as I have, you'll know them as RGS, but obviously the name's changed over the years and they're now called Pneumatrol. We also do a lot of back wiring for our customers, so we can wire the connectors up onto the cables. And like this version here, we've got it back wired into a switch box. So we supply the gland, the wires. If you wanted us to fit the solenoid for you and backwire it into the switch box, we can do that. For a lot of customers now, we supply the solenoid and then we make up a backwiring kit for them so that they can do the backwiring on site themselves, but it just makes it life a little bit easier and a little bit quicker. We supply the cable, the gland, we put bootlace terminals on there. We indicate whether the wires are plus or minus. We put these little sheaths on here as well just to cover the end of the wires. So that's quite a nice little kit that we can supply there for the customer as well. So whether we're supplying solenoid alone, solenoid with a wiring kit, or whether we're actually doing the back wiring for you, we've got everything covered at Valve & Process Solutions. The other little thing I wanted to point out as well is a lot of the times we've got customers now that have moved away from the solenoid and the back wiring, and then moved to our Westlock product with the integrated solenoid, which is the Quantum, which I've showed in a previous video. If Pneumatrol is your site standard and you're worried about moving away from that if you were to move to the Quantum product, what I can tell you is the Falcon 2 solenoids that are on the Quantum that we sell, that is actually manufactured for Westlock under license by Pneumatrol. So you're still getting your Pneumatrol solenoid, even though it's in a slightly different package with a different label on there, it is still a Pneumatrol solenoid. So that makes that change a little bit easier for some customers, that they're not changing a site standard or breaking a site specification. We also keep all the spare parts. So if you want a spare coil, or you want a spare solenoid body, if you lose the plate and you want, or the plate wears out, or there's something, you've lost an O-ring or something within that, we keep all those products as well. So we've got the vast array of Pneumatrol products available here from Valve & Process Solutions. So if you do have any requirements, please get in touch, talk to one of our experts, and we can tell you what solenoid you need for your application. So thanks very much for watching. As always, please give us a like or a share on social media. And this video, along with all our other videos that we've done on the products, will be available on our YouTube channel for you to watch at a later date. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.